It's early in the morning. But ever felt there's always something lingering down below? Maybe it could come from up above. Or it could be right next to you. But fret not, introducing the Panasonic Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Capturing dirt and dust efficiently with its powerful suction, and it's so lightweight you can use it with ease. Now fitted with a V-shaped brush, it's ideal for any types of surface. More so, the handle is designed to fit in your hands comfortably. The Panasonic Stick Vacuum Cleaner. It does all the hard work so you don't have to. It's so easy, you'll be looking forward to cleaning.
Panasonic.